Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Coolake, 15-inch commercial under-counter, ice maker machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include: under-counter or freestanding installation. Due to the slim 15-inch width for narrow under-counter applications and front breathing vents, this ice maker can be installed as either freestanding or built into existing cabinetry for a more seamless look in your kitchen. This unit is 33-inch in height to fit under lower ADA-compliant counters. Make sure that your unit is nice and level with the included leveling legs. Never run out of ice. Our under-counter ice maker has a potential throughput of up to 100 pounds of ice per day and stores up to 30 pounds of ready-to-use ice, making it perfect for entertaining or producing ice-laden confections. It comes out restaurant quality, crystal clear, slow-melting, taste-free odorless ice cubes that won't dilute the flavor of drinks, perfect for server stations, office, and bar use. Convenient controls. For hassle-free upkeep, this built-in ice maker features an easily accessible control panel with options like automatic cleaning mode, automatic ice making mode, alerts and no water conditions, and a fault warning light. Lets you set ice thickness, self-cleaning mode, and auto-deicing at the touch of a button. The unit automatically shuts off when the ice bin is full, preventing overflow. Minimum clearance. Thanks to a brilliant self-cleaning function and removable internal ice bucket, cleaning can be done simply and swiftly. Self-cleaning cycle for easy maintenance with one flip of a switch. Recommend cleaning the machine regularly to help maintain the ice maker's efficiency and longevity. This ice maker is equipped with LED interior lighting so you can easily check on ice levels. Enhance your entertaining with an under-counter ice machine. Made of commercial-grade, durable stainless steel, the ice maker provides a sleek and classy element to any modern kitchen and ensures longer-lasting use. Covered under a 1-year parts and a 5-year compressor. It can be installed under the correct conditions, in applications like rec rooms, home bar spaces, outdoor bars, or smoothie stands. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.